I am very elated about Oblique performance this year, and his fourth place in the World Championship is a solid contribution to the development that he is going through. I think this is going into his third year. The first year, um, I never really pushed him or him because he was coming out of high school, still at high school age, and then he suffered a slight setback in his preparation. So I just backed off and allow him, I wouldn't say a year off, but I just allow him the time to recover from the setback and so on. So after that, we started what I call a 3 year program of development. There are major areas that he needs to work on and to develop so that he can compete at with the best in the world and eventually attain that status. So I've been very patient. We last year we were able to make the Olympic team, and despite several setbacks we had that season. This season, however, we have had less of a problem, and things have moved much smoother, and we are seeing the foundation that we're laying gradually blossoming. Um, when he ran the 986, I make sure he signaled to me that it was a tremendous jump, because we're looking at the lines are moving gradually down the 9 ranks and then into the 9-8 and the progression.